In the preceding chapter, you came across a large variety of organisms, both unicellular and multicellular, of the animal kingdom. In unicellular organism, all functions like digestion, respiration, reproduction are performed by single cell. In complex body of multicellular animals, the same basic functions are carried out by different groups of cells in a well-organized manner. The body of a simple organism like Hydra is made up of different types of cells, and the number of cells in each type can be in thousands. The body of a simple organism like Hydra is made up of different type of cells, and the number of cells in each type can be in thousands. Human body is composed of billions of cells to perform various functions. How do these cells in the body work together? As you have already learned in your earlier class, in multicellular animals, a group of similar cells along with intercellular substance perform a specific function. As you have already learned in your earlier classes, in multicellular animals, a group of similar cells along with intercellular substances perform a specific function. Such an organization is called tissue. You may be surprised to know that all complex animal consist of only four basic types of tissue. These tissue are organized in a specific proportion and pattern to form an organ like stomach, lungs, heart, kidney. When two or more organs perform a common functions by their physical or chemical interaction, they together form organ system, digestive system, respiratory system, etc. Cell, tissue, organ system. Cell, tissue, organ system split up the work in a way that exhibit division of labor and contribute to the survival of the body as a whole. Organ and organ system. The basic tissue, as you have learned in earlier classes, organized to form organ which in turn associate to form organ system in multicellular organism. Such an organization is essential for more efficient and better coordinated activities of millions of cells constituting an organism. Such an organization is essential for more efficient and better coordinated activities of millions of cells constituting an organism. Each, each organ in our body is made of one or more types of tissue. For example, our heart consists of all the four types of tissue. Our heart, epithelial, connective, muscular, neural. We also notice after some careful studies that the complexity in organ and organ system display certain discernible trend. After some careful study that the complexity in organ and organ system display certain discernible trend. This discernible trend is called evolutionary trend. You will study the details in class 12. In this chapter, you are being introduced to morphology and anatomy of rock. Morphology refers to a study of form or externally visible feature. In the case of plants or microbes, the term morphology precisely means only this. In case of animal, this refers to the external appearance of organ or part of the body. The word anatomy The word anatomy conventionally is used for a study of morphology of internal organ in the animals. You will learn the morphology and anatomy of frog representing vertebrate. Frog. Frog can live both on land and in water, fresh water. Belongs to class Amphibia of phylum Chordata. Most common species of frog found in India is Rana tigrina. They don't have constant body temperature, that is, their body temperature varies with the temperature of the environment. Such animals are called cold-blooded or pyochilotherms. You might have also noticed change in color of frog while they are in grasses or on dry land. They have a ability to change the color to hide them from their enemies. Camouflage. This protective coloration is called mimicry. You may also know that frogs are not seen during peak summer and winter. During this period, they have take shelter in deep burrows to protect them from extreme heat and cold. This is known as summer sleep estivation and winter sleep hibernation. Morphology. Trunk, head, trunk, eyes, forelimbs, hind limbs, external feature of frog. Have you ever touched the skin of frog? The skin is smooth and slippery. Due to presence of mucus, the skin is always maintained in moist condition. The color of dorsal side of the body is generally olive green with dark irregular spot. On the ventral side, the skin is uniformly pale yellow. The frog never drinks water but absorbs it through skin. Body of a frog is divisible into head and trunk. Neck and tail are absent in frog. Above the mouth, a pair of nostrils is present. Eyes are bulged and covered by nictitating membrane that protect them while in water. On either side of eyes, a membranous tympanum ear receives sound signals. On either side of eyes, a membranous tympanum ear receives sound signals. Forelimbs and hind limbs helps in swimming, walking, leaping, burrowing. The hind limb end in 5 digits. They are larger and muscular than forelimbs that end in 4 digits. Feet have webbed digits that help in swimming. Feet, feet have webbed digits that help in swimming. Frog exhibit sexual dimorphism. Male frog can be distinguished by presence of sound producing vocal sacs, also a copulatory pad on the first digit of forelimbs. Male frog can be distinguished by presence of sound-producing vocal sac and also a copulatory pad on the first digit of forelimbs, which are absent in female frog. Anatomy. Body cavity of frog accommodates different organ system. Body cavity of frog accommodates different organ systems such as digestive, circulatory, respiratory, nervous, and excretory and reproductive system with well-developed structure and functions. The digestive system consists of alimentary canal, digestive gland. Alimentary canal is short because frogs are carnivorous, hence the length of the intestine is reduced. The mouth opens into buccal cavity that leads to esophagus through pharynx. Mouth open into buccal cavity that leads to esophagus through pharynx. Mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus. Esophagus is a short tube. Esophagus is a short tube that opens in stomach, which in turn continues as intestine, rectum, and finally open outside by the cloaca. Esophagus, mouth opens into buccal cavity. Mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, intestine, rectum, cloaca. Liver secrete bile that is stored in gallbladder. Pancreas, a digestive gland, produces pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice containing digestive enzyme. Food is captured by bilobed tongue. Digestion of food takes place by the action of HCl and gastric juices secreted from the wall of stomach. Partially digested food called chyme is passed from stomach to the first part of the intestine, the duodenum. The duodenum receives bile from gallbladder and pancreatic juice from the pancreas through a common bile duct. Bile emulsifies fats and pancreatic juice digests carbohydrate and protein. Pancreatic juice digests carbohydrate and protein. Final digestion takes place in the intestine. Digested food is absorbed by numerous finger-like folds in inner wall of the intestine called villi and microvilli. The undigested solid waste moves into the rectum and passes out through cloaca. Lung, heart, pinkish lungs, gallbladder, fat bodies, kidney, ureter, rectum, intestine, stomach, liver, Cloacal aperture, cloaca, urinary bladder. Diagrammatic representation of internal organ of frog showing complete digestive system. Frog respire on land and in water by two different methods. Frog respire on land and in the water by two different methods. In water, skin acts as a aquatic respiratory organ, cutaneous respiration. Dissolved oxygen in the water is exchanged through the skin by the diffusion. On land, the buccal cavity, skin, lungs act as a respiratory organ. On land, buccal cavity, skin, lungs act as a respiratory organ. Respiration by lung is called pulmonary respiration. The lungs are a pair of elongated pinkish colored sac-like structure present in the upper part of trunk region, thorax. Lungs are a pair of elongated pinkish colored sac-like structure present in the upper part of the trunk region, thorax. Air enters through the nostril into the vocal cavity and then to the lungs. Air enters through the nostril into the buccal cavity then to the lungs. During estivation and hibernation, gaseous exchange takes place through skin. Vascular system of frog. Vascular system of frog is well defined closed type. Frogs have a lymphatic system also. Blood vascular system involves heart, blood vessels, and blood. Lymphatic system consists of lymphatic system, lymph channel, lymph node. Heart is a muscular structure situated in the upper part of the body cavity. It has three chambers, two arteria, one ventricle. Is covered by a membrane called pericardium. A triangular structure called sinus venosus joins the right atrium. A triangular structure called sinus venosus joins the right atrium. It receives blood through the major veins called vena cava. The ventricle opens into a sac like conus arteriosus on the ventral side of the heart. Conus arteriosus, sinus venosus joins the right atrium. Ventricle opens into a sac like conus arteriosus on the ventral side of heart. The blood from the heart is carried to all parts of the body by arteries. Arterial system. The vein collect blood from different part of the body to the heart. Different part of the body to the heart. and from and form venous system. A special venous connection between liver and intestine as well as the kidney and lower part of the body are present in frogs. A special venous connection between liver and intestine as well as kidney and lower part of the body. The former is hepatic portal system between liver and intestine, later is renal portal system between kidney and lower body part. Blood is composed of plasma and cells. Blood is composed of plasma and cells. Blood cells are red blood cell and erythrocyte, WBC white blood cell, leukocyte, platelets. RBC are nucleated and contain red colored pigment, namely hemoglobin. RBC nucleated in frog. Lymph is different from blood. Lymph, it lacks few proteins and RBC. Lymph. Lymph lacks few proteins and RBC. Blood carries nutrients, gas, and water to the respective site during circulation. Circulation of blood is achieved by pumping action of muscular heart. Elimination of nitrogenous waste is carried out by well-developed excretory system. Excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, ureter, cloaca, urinary bladder. These are compact, dark red bean-like structures situated a little posteriorly in the body cavity. Kidney are compact, dark red bean-like structures situated little posteriorly in the body cavity on both sides of vertebral column. Each kidney is composed of several structural and functional units called uriniferous tubules or nephrons. Each kidney is composed of several structural and functional units called uriniferous tubules or nephrons. Two ureter emerge from the kidney in the male frog. The ureter act as a urinogenital duct which opens into the cloaca. In female, the ureter and oviduct open separately in the cloaca. In female, ureter oviduct opens separately into the cloaca. Two ureter emerge from the kidney in the male frog. Ureter act as a urinogenital duct which opens into the cloaca. Thin-walled urinary bladder is present ventral to the rectum which also opens into the cloaca. Thin-walled urinary bladder present ventral to the rectum. Ventral to the rectum. Fat bodies. Testis, vasa efferentia, adrenal gland, Bidder's canal, kidney, testis, vasa efferentia, kidney, Bidder canal, urinogenital duct, kidney, cloaca, cloacal aperture, rectum, adrenal gland, male reproductive system, female reproductive system, oviduct, ureter, ovary, ova, cloaca, cloacal aperture, urinary bladder, rectum, ventral to the rectum. The frog excrete urea, thus ureotelic animals. Excretory wastage are carried by blood into the kidney where it is separated and excreted. Excretory wastage are carried by blood into the kidney where it is separated and excreted. This system for control and coordination is highly evolved in the frog. It includes both neural system and endocrine gland. Control and coordination. The chemical coordination of various organs of the body is achieved by hormones which are secreted by endocrine gland. Prominent endocrine glands found in frog are pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, pineal body, pancreatic islets, adrenal islets, adrenals, and gonads. The nervous system organized into a central nervous system, brain and spinal cord, a peripheral nervous system, cranial and spinal nerve. Central nervous system, brain and spinal cord, peripheral nervous system, cranial and spinal nerve, and autonomic nervous system, sympathetic and parasympathetic. An autonomic nervous system, sympathetic or parasympathetic. Sympathetic. There are 10 pair of cranial nerves arising from the brain. Brain is enclosed in a bony structure called brain box cranium. Brain is divided into forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Forebrain includes olfactory lobes, paired cerebral hemisphere, and paired diencephalon. Forebrain includes olfactory lobes, paired cerebral hemisphere, and unpaired diencephalon. Forebrain, olfactory lobes, paired cerebral hemisphere, unpaired diencephalon. Midbrain is characterized by paired optic lobes. Hindbrain consists of cerebellum and medulla oblongata. Cerebellum medulla oblongata is part of hindbrain. The medulla oblongata passes out through the foramen magnum and continues into a spinal cord which enclosed in a vertebral column. Medulla oblongata passes out. Medulla oblongata passes out through the foramen magnum, continues into a spinal cord which is enclosed in the vertebral column. Frogs have different types of sense organ, namely organ of touch, sensory papilla, taste bud, smell, nasal epithelium, vision, eye, hearing, tympanum with internal ear. Out of these, eyes and internal ear are well organized structure. Rest are cellular aggregation around nerve ending. Touch, sensory papilla, taste bud, smell, nasal epithelium, vision, eyes, hearing, tympanum with internal ear. Out of these, eyes and internal ears are well organized structure. Rest are cellular aggregation around nerve ending. Eye in frog are a pair of spherical structures situated in the orbit of a skull. Pair of spherical structures situated in the orbit in the skull. These are simple eye possessing only one unit. External ear is absent in frog. External ear is absent in frog. Only tympanum can be seen externally. The ear is an organ of hearing as well as balancing. Frogs have a well-organized male and female reproductive system. Male reproductive system consists of a pair of yellowish ovoid testes, which are found adhered to the upper part of kidney by double fold of peritoneum called mesorchium. Frog have well-organized male and female reproductive system. Male reproductive system consists of a pair of vellus ovoid testes which are found adhered to the upper part of kidney by double fold of peritoneum called mesorchium. Vasa efferentia 10 to 12 in number arise from testes. They enter the kidney on their side. Vasa efferentia 10 से 12 in number they arise from testes. They enter the kidney on their side opens into the bladder canals. Finally, it communicates with the urinogenital duct that comes out of the kidney and opens into the cloaca. Cloaca is a small median chamber that is used to pass fecal matter, urine, sperm to the exterior. Female reproductive system include a pairs of ovaries. Female reproductive system, female reproductive organ include a pair of ovaries. Ovaries are situated near kidney and there is no functional connection with kidney. A pair of oviduct arising from the ovaries open into the cloaca separately. A mature female can lay 2500 से 3000 ova at a time. Female fertilization is external, take place in water. Development involves a larval stage called tadpole. Tadpole undergoes metamorphosis to form adult. Frogs are beneficial for mankind because they eat insects and protect the crop. Frog maintain ecological balance because this serves as an important link of food chain and food web in the ecosystem. In some countries, the muscular legs of frog are used as food by man. Draw a neat diagram of digestive system of frog. Mention functions of ureter in frog. Female reproductive organ is a pair of ovaries. Female lays 2500 से 3000 ova at a time. Fertilization and development is external. Eggs of hatch into tadpole which metamorphoses into the frog. RBC are nucleated. Rana tigrina, Indian bullfrog.